Good morning! Good morning. I open the curtains. I open the curtains. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I am making breakfast. I am making breakfast. My hands are clean now. My hands are clean now. This food is delicious. This food is delicious. I wash the clothes. I wash the clothes. I exercise every day. I exercise every day. I wash the apples. I wash the apples. I pour some milk. I pour some milk. I cut the carrots. I cut the carrots. The plants need water. The plants need water. I clean the floor. I clean the floor. It is a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day. I like this one. I like this one.
These tomatoes look good. These tomatoes look good. This coffee is hot. This coffee is hot.
This book is interesting. This book is interesting. I have a lot of work. I have a lot of work. Dinner is ready. Dinner is ready. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes.
I am tired now. I am tired now.